Hey guys, as a Linux user, you must know these 5 Linux commands. So first command is pwd, which shows you the present working directory. Now the second command is mkdir, which will make a directory in your present working directory. So let's make a directory, new dir. Now the third command is ls, which will show you the list of files in your directory. This is the new directory that we have created. Now the fourth command is cd. Cd will allow you to change directory from one directory to another. So let's go into our etc directory. Now we are in etc directory. And the fifth command is rm command. So we use it with recursively forcing to remove the directories. So let's remove the directory which we have created, and it has removed the directory. Hope you guys like this video.